Hello everyone, to put the logo in your stream, go to the logo tab and click on File to select your logo. So after you select the logo, you can tick on Preview to display on PVM. So as you can see, the logo is right here. To remove it, just untick the box. To display in BGM, tick on logo 1. So the logo is now on BGM. You can set the position of your logo by clicking 1, 2 right here, 3 and 4. To remove, untick the logo 1. It will disappear. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.